Let's build your new Crystals Heavy Metal Garden Arch. This elegant, neoclassical inspired arch is incredibly easy to put together. First, lay out the curved top sections on the floor. Match up the connecting ends of these pieces, slide the connection points together. Take one of your provided bolts, push it straight through the pre-drilled holes, and hand tighten the nut on the opposite side to secure it. Repeat this for the other half of the arch. To make sure it stays completely sturdy, use the included Allen key and a small wrench to firmly tighten those nuts down. Next, let's build the sides. Grab the straight panels featuring that gorgeous ornate scrollwork. Lay them end to end, slide the joints together, and bolt them tight just like you did with the top. Do the exact same thing for the second side panel. This heavy-duty steel frame features a weather-resistant powder coating, meaning it is built to easily withstand the elements all year round. Now, bring it all together. While it is still laying flat, simply slide the assembled curved top section right into the tall side panels and bolt them securely in place. Finally, carefully stand your completed arch upright. It is the perfect, elegant support for your climbing roses or ivy, and you are all done, a stunning, durable garden centerpiece